3406.
Okay, hi, I'm in a rooftop in Athens, Greece. I just, as you can see, there are solar panels and all sorts of houses around me. I'm in the rooftop of my multi-store building. Well, it's not my building, but I have an apartment here, and I just finished putting up a Diamond X50N VHF UHF, 2 meters 70 centimeters. I know this is not the best place I could put it on the solar collector, but if you don't know how things go with neighbors and regulations of the apartments, believe me, you don't know anything. Anyway, this is the only thing I could do at the moment. I hope that the solar heater won't affect the antenna too much. I have an Ultraflex 7 cable going down here to my balcony, and we'll measure the SWR to see how it goes later. This is the sign that we are obliged to put from the Greek law with our call sign. My new call sign is Sierra Victor 1 Tango Sierra Delta. My older one was Sierra Yankee 1 Echo Bravo Echo. It was a smaller license, so now that I got the biggest one, I can put this antenna up. Thank you for watching. We'll talk about this antenna perhaps later and measure it. We'll see. 73 to all. And here we have the measurements of the antenna that I just installed with the Nano VNA, and we can see how differently VHF and UHF frequencies behave with such a long cable that I have installed. Just to remind you, I have a 25 meter Ultraflex 7 cable, and as you can see, VHF dips down at 147.4 megahertz, while UHF is more erratic and goes up and down. Of course, here I have a frequency for sample 439,500, and we can see that SWR is at 1.4 something. Also here we have the logmag view with the Nano VNA, and we can confirm that UHF does not forgive any errors or long cables, to say that also. Of course, the dips that we see here are for my antenna, my placement, and the surroundings of my antenna. They are not typical to a Diamond X50 antenna. It depends where you will set it up, what is around the antenna, and stuff like that. So this was it, just a really quick video to show you this installation. Thank you for watching. See you next time.